All right, welcome to another video. Today we're working on this 2015 Acura ILX, and I want to show y'all what's going on here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I know you can hear it, but I don't know if you can see it. It's really bad here. Now, all this plastic has to move out the way. Maybe I'll get the plastic out the way and try to show y'all. But pretty much this mount down here is toast. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this plastic down and we're gonna be changing this mount right here. All right, now I got some of that plastic off. Now you probably be able to see what I'm doing here. All right, maybe this will be a little better so y'all can see it. We're looking at this mount right here. Now I'm gonna shake the engine. As you can see, it's very bad mount there. And we're gonna change that out. All right, so I just want to give y'all the sizes of the bolts and stuff and where you can find this mount from. As you can see here, this is completely busted up, and the car has 186,000 miles on it. Now, if you go to O'Reilly's, AutoZone, or Advanced Auto Place, you're gonna have a very hard time. So I'm gonna just inform y'all where to get this at. If you have a car parts warehouse, they are the only ones that was able to get it without any hassle. All the other ones are shorter, or the angle of the where the bolts go in are just not at the right angle. And if you go to the dealership, it's going to cost you about close to $300. And at car parts warehouse, I got this one for $76 plus tax. So I hope this is helpful. If so, like and subscribe and share this video. Very easy to take out. Size 18 here and 217s here on this particular car, and this is the 2015 Acura ILX. Thanks for watching.